Good afternoon, everybody. Lady B here again. Yes, I've got another thing of apples going. I'm going to make some probably blackberry applesauce again because I've given it all away except for one. And I need to make some more so I can, yes, give it away again, but that's okay. That's what it's for. But anyhow, I've got a friend slash family member that's in the hospital. It is John Noel Zero's roommate, Mary, and she's getting very bored. So I need to see if there's any kind of books here in my possession that she might want to read. So I'm going to show you what I've got, and then Mary, this is for you too. I'm going to send you a link to it and let you decide if there's anything here that you want. I just talked to John and he told me what he brought you. But if there's anything here, all you got to do is tell me and I'm on my way with it. But anyhow, let me go over this way. Back here are some just home repair, home hint books. Don't imagine you'll be worried about any of those. But here are a few of the cookbooks that I have. I used to have a ton more, but I've got rid of them. I just have way too many. Now these two here, I got as part of a prize drawing for something on YouTube. I don't remember what. And I don't remember where I got this one. This one is dated 1974. Yes, I know that those practices are probably not safe nowadays, but I thought it was interesting to keep. And I think I found this one at a yard sale. And now over to the healing herbs. This one down on the bottom was one of those things that used to you would get like a monthly collection and you would add to this book. Anyhow, this book is not complete, but for the price I went ahead and got it anyhow. And there we go. And over here, medical books, first aid. I'm not sure about the date of this one. This one is an old one also. Last one. Yeah, 1957 was the last. Wait a minute. What did it say here? Yep, 1957 first aid book. And over here, I knocked it down. I had it so you could see it. This is a set that I bought when I was working at a truck stop. A guy come in and selling them. So I bought those. You never know when they'll come in handy. And these over here. This first responder book was a gift from a friend. Yes, he is a first responder, but he gave me that book. And the rest of them. This net making, I thought it might come in handy at some point. You never know. And here is some more herb books. Family Health, Food Pharmacy. Over here, some more medical books. I think I got this one at Goodwill for $1, I think. I don't remember about the rest. I think I got this one at Goodwill for $1. But this one right here, that one is my favorite. I got that from my grandmother. And it still has her little hair clips in here. A lot of memories there. But anyhow, these are just regular books. Sorry about that. I think we all need one of these SAS survival guides. I've got this one, and I've got one in my vehicle that stays there. Now, I highly recommend 1 second after and 1 year after. I have read 1 second after like 3 times, and so far I've only read 1 year after once. But this is, somebody told me there was another one out too recently. But This is like after an EMP and what they do to survive. And these are some more books that are good. I started reading this one, and I never did get any farther with it. And I'm not exactly sure. I read what this one was about, and that's why I decided to get it. But I don't really remember. And this one, I think I got with those other ones over there, the canning and preserving and stuff like that. I don't remember. But these over here are just regular to read books. Not really anything survival or anything. Just something I thought that would break up the monotony of the other ones. Later on we might need some kind of motivational books. And back here are books that Ron Foster sent to me. And I know I've got a couple more somewhere, but I have no idea where they're at. But Ron, thank you for these, and I appreciate it, and I've read every single one of them. Fades the Light, Arc Storm, Art Into the Lake, and Beyond the Burning Shore. I highly recommend all of Ron's books. I have got a lot of them in my Kindle, and I've read some of them, and some of them I haven't even started yet. But if you haven't read any of Ron's books, you need to check him out. He's a really good author. So, Mary, if you see anything in here that you want to read, all you got to do is call me and tell me, and I am on my way with it. But anyhow, this has gone on long enough now. So I will get off of here, and I'll send this on to Mary and get this uploaded to YouTube. And we'll talk to y'all later. Y'all take care. Stay safe out there. Bye.